Bronson.
Have I got a girl for you? Wait till you meet her. Have I got a girl for you? Boy, oh boy, dumb and with a weakness for Sazerac slings. You give her even the fruit and she swings. The kind of girl you can't send through the mails. Call me tomorrow, I want the details.
Have I got a girl for you? Wait till you meet her. Have I got a girl for you? Boy, who boy? March into all those exotic mistakes. Kama Sutra and Chinese techniques. She knows more than 75. Call me tomorrow if you're still alive.
Have I got a girl for you?
Have I got a girl for you?
Wait till you meet her.
Wait till you meet her.
Have I got a girl for you? Boy, oh boy. Boy, to be in your shoes, what I wouldn't give. I mean the freedom to go out and live.
And as for settling down and all that,
marriage may be where it's been, but it's not where it's at. What do you like? You like coming home to a kiss? Somebody with a smile at the door? What do you like? You like indescribable bliss? Then what do you want to get married for? What do you like? You like an excursion to Rome? Suddenly taking off to explore? What do you like? You like having meals cooked at home? Then what do you want to get married for? What do you want to get married for?
what do I want to get married for? Pretty women, fascinating, sipping coffee, dancing. Pretty women are a wonder. Pretty women sitting in the window or standing on the stair. Something in them cheers the air. Ah, pretty women,
Silhouetted,
stay within you,
glancing,
stay forever.
breathing lightly.
Pretty women, blowing out their candles, oh, combing out their hair.
Then they
even when
they leave you and vanish, they somehow can still remain.
They're there.
You are pretty women
At their mirrors,
in the garden,
letter writing,
flower picking.
weather watching.
How they make a man sing proof of heaven as you're living. Pretty women, sir.
Pretty women,
Yes, pretty women, sir. Pretty women, sir.